Hi, everybody. I found a really good website for sight words, so I wanted to show you that. So here it is. I'm going to go to the website itself is called sightwords.com. And so far, I've used it in the past. I don't remember ever having to create an account, but it's been a while. But there's some things I wanted to show you about it. So like if you go to sightwords.com and then you go, well, you're gonna have to ignore some of these ads they have. But if you scroll down, you're gonna see some things here. Like for example, flashcards, strategies you can use at home since we're now, you're at home being the main teacher for us and we need you. In games. So one of the things, we always have to remember is that you don't always have to sit down with your child and do a paper and pencil type of work. Try to make it fun for them because they'll love that. But I'm just going to show you a couple of them. For example, the sight words. It'll print them for you. The only thing I have found in the past is that they're a little big. So you can custom, you can do the Dolch words. So I'm just going to pick one of these. Some of these, as you can tell, they're already here. They're PDF files, first grade, second grade. They'll tell you how many words it has. So I'm just going to pick a first grade one. If I click it, they are pretty big, but what I like about them is that it has a starting point and it teaches a child like which way to go. Now, most of our kids already have that, but I just thought this was like an awesome way of um, that they have this for them. So this is always like really nice to have something to just print and go through. Oh, it kicked me out. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. We're losing time. The one I wanted you to see was this one, Sight Word Games. Um, Kids love to play games. I mean, who can blame them? That's always really fun. But it has all different kinds of games that you can go in there and explore. One of the ones I think is pretty neat is the sight word bingo. You can play this with a few people if you have whoever's at your house right now that we're in. Leave, some time of the day or even in the afternoon and play some sight words with them. It gives you a little overview of what it looks like. It looks just like a sight, like a kind of like a bingo type of game. You give them the side word and then they put a little chip on it, and whoever gets, a straight line, it will they win. So and it gives you here is a little video of how to create them. But if you go to number two where it says materials and you go to bingo cards and you click it, it gives you you get to pick. This is what I thought it was amazing. Is like you get to pick what size you want the cards for. So like if you don't have a lot of paper, you can make them even smaller. If how many cards you want created, depending on how many people you have. And then the best part is what grade your child is. So a lot of the Dolch words, these are words that appear the most in the English language. It's kind of like sight words, and that's why they call them sight words. You probably have seen in my website, which I'll be sending all of y'all a link. I have the most commonly used Dolch words for pre-K all the way through, I think it's third grade. And then we have fry words. You can just click any of these. Again, I'm going to pick first grade and I'm going to say create bingo cards, and it automatically creates them for you. And then it gives you the word list. So somebody can be reading the list, and here's bingos. Now, I only think I only said create one. That's why you only see one card being created. But if I would have set up here create two, it would have done more. The other neat thing is that if you see your child, maybe they struggle with some words, you can custom your sight words here in this area. You basically just type in some words like I was, can, and then if I create it, I know I only type three, but it will make those. As you can tell here, again, it has the three words that I put over and over, and then the word list, the ones we're going to be saying. So anyways, this is just another site sightworks.com that I think it's pretty good. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope everybody is having a good time. I hope everybody's having a good day. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Bye.